Dear students, very good morning. Today I am with a new topic, trigonometric ratios. So we have a question. So first read the question, then solve it. If sin A equal to 3 upon 4, then 10A will be. The question is asking about the value of 10A and the value of sin A is given. So students, let us solve it. Sin A equal to 3 upon 4. So students, we know that very well. Sin A equal to what? That is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So in short I will write P upon H. Here sin A equal to P upon H, that is 3 upon 4. Okay, so the value of perpendicular is 3 and value of hypotenuse is 4 here, but we don't know the value of base. So find the value of base. For for this I will use Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem, what Pythagoras theorem says, square of hypotenuse equal to square of perpendicular plus square of base. B for base, H for hypotenuse, P for perpendicular. So I will put the values here now. Hypotenuse is how much? 4. So I will put here 4, square of 4, and perpendicular is 3. So the value of perpendicular is 3. Now value of base we don't know, so I will keep it as it is. Okay students, 4 4 ja 16, 3 3 ja 9 plus b square. Now we have to find the value of b, only b. So 16 and this 9 come this side, minus 9. How much? It will remain 7. Okay, it will be b square, but we need b. We need b only. So this will be root 7, because this square come this side, it become square root. So the value of base is root 7. Now I will find the value of sin A. Value of sin A. Sin, sorry, 10A. They are asking us 10A. 10A equal to, we know, that is perpendicular upon base, P upon B. So value of P is 3 and value of B is root 7. But root should not be in the denominator. So we rationalize the denominator by multiplying with root 7 above and with below. So it will be 3 root 7 upon 7. So students, this is our answer for the value of 10A. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much, and don't forget like and subscribe the video.